guys. So today we're going to do a bird. In this is gonna this line under that is gonna be the ground. This is gonna be the sky. We'll paint a tree once it dries, and we'll put the bird right here and a bird right here. This is gonna be blue. This is gonna be orange. I'll tell you the rest of the instructions later. For now, let's get started. So the bottom is gonna be brown. The top, just the sky, of course, is gonna be white. So let's pour just actually perfect. I'd say so myself. No. Always. Not later. This kind of looks like arrows, honestly. Okay, we're done. I kind of over-exaggerated the brown, poured it too much. Now let's get on to the white. That's not good. We wasted what we should have. Okay, now let's get our. Oh, well, never mind. I guess. So, we're going to need green. Let me just get this all straightened up. Brown. Golden. And a few dots of yellow, red, and orange, because those are the leaves that fell. Obviously, it's fall, so they would like falls, So we're going to do that right here. Bit a lot. We poured way too much, but it's not gonna stand in our way, hopefully. for you will be in 2 seconds, but still. The day has passed and it's dry. So I know the introduction, we said we would put an owl right here and a bird right here or something, and then a tree, I think, like right here or something, I don't know. But I asked my friends a few things, if they would want a unicorn running over here or somewhere, or would they just want a flower somewhere, or would they want an owl here with a branch or an owl? I'd ask them what they'd like with only these materials. So, and all they decided they would put an owl like this owl right here, and then a tree right here. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get started first with the owl. Let's pick it up. So now we're going to get started painting the tree. Okay, we are now supremely close to done. It's beautiful. But remember, we're not done yet. So now we're going to color in the tummy. We fixed up the eyes. So now we're going to color in the tummy. Please say it. Please say it. Please say it. Please say it. So I have 5. Oh well, yeah, this is a close-up, but I have 5 things to tell you. Number 1, make sure to subscribe. 2, make sure to like. 3, share. 4, comment. And 5, hit the notifications bell. And thank you for all the supporters out there. And peace.